How to create PayPal account on PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to proceed, we are here at paypal.com. We're just going to go ahead and click the sign up button here at the top right corner. Now, in my personal preference, if you're just doing this for yourself, go ahead and use the personal account. But if it is for your business, then choose business account. There are reasons down below why you should choose these. Now, again, I'm going to choose personal account. I'm going to click next. And then I can go ahead and type here my email address. After doing so, just go ahead and click the next button. Now, security challenge, just go ahead and check this one. And then go ahead and type your phone number, after which click next. And then go ahead and type your confirmation code. And then we're going to go ahead and create a password. Click next. Now, this one here, your personal information, I want you to fill this in. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this one here. And then click next. Alright, so we have the additional information that includes your nationality, ID type, ID number, and then date of birth. So once you're done with this, just go ahead and click next. And then the next part here is your address. So I want you to go ahead and type here your address. You can just go ahead and click this one here to add it manually, or you can also go ahead and add it via Google Assistant. So in my case, I'm just going to do this one real quick. Alright, now I've also checked this one here while leaving this one unchecked. This is just for promotions. Now go ahead and click agree and create account. And there you go, that is how to create PayPal account on PC.